Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonorai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you about Extrude Modifier in 3ds Max. So let's begin. I am going to my perspective mode here and I am going to draw a 2D shape. So basically Extrude Modifier is used to convert 2D objects into 3D in 3ds Max. So I am going to draw some 2D shapes. So I am going to this option here, splines, and you can see there are numerous options in splines which I have discussed in earlier tutorials. So if you have missed my earlier tutorials, you can go to playlist and watch all the tutorials for free. So this is line and circle. So I'm going to draw a circle shape, suppose here, and I will go and draw a rectangle here, and I'm going to draw ellipse also here, and I'm going to draw a line shape which will be open. I'm not going to close this line shape here, and this will be open at both ends. So let's begin. I'm going to select rectangle first, and I'm going to modify list, and in modify list if you click this, you can see extrude option. So for going faster to that command, you are required to type E on your keyboard. So you will go to E type of commands. So you can see there are numerous commands which are start from E. So there is extrude command. So if you are using some other command like lathe, you can type L and so on. So I'm going to select extrude here, and now you can see this is converted to solid object here, and you can see there are some parameters, and amount is asking how much you want to extrude this. So you can type any value or you can start increasing this. So you can see you can extrude this like a SketchUp and Revit. So you can also define segments. So there is only one segment. If you want to increase this segment, you can type any value here. So there is 7 segment, but we are not able to view it. So for this you are required to type F4 command on your keyboard, or you can go to this default setting and you can select edged faces here. So you can see there are segments, 7 segments, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and you can also select this circle here, and you can extrude this, type E, go to extrude here, and you can see it is taking the same value here. You can start increasing or decreasing this segments. Also you can define this how much segment you want, and you can also see these options like capping. So if you want a capping start to be unchecked, see what happens. I'm going to uncheck this. So you can see there is no cap. So you can select these options, and now I'm going to unselect this. So you can see it is no cap at the top. So likewise you can use these options, and can also see there is output some options here like patch, whether you want patch, mesh or not. So by default it is mesh. So I will come in more tutorials and I will explain what is patch, mesh and knob. So for timing I'm going to select patch. You can see this shape is changing, it is going to be patch. You select mesh, it will be default, and if you select knobs, it will be knob forms like this. So we'll understand in upcoming tutorials what is the terms mesh, knobs and patch in detail. So for time being you can select these options, and you can see these options also. You can leave like this. So I'm going to select this ellipse again, and I'm going to modify list, type E, and you can extrude this how much you want, and you can also select cap start and cap end in these options. You can see here, and you can select grid or morph. So you can select default morph here, and you can leave this setting, and you can see this what happens. This line is not joined at the end, so I'm going to select this, and I'm going to type E in modifier list, and I'm going to extrude this. You see, this is not making solid object. This is only out outer line is getting converted and extruded. So why this is happening? Because this line is not joined. So we can use this also. So you can use this to make any conceptual, or it will be very handy for extruding. You can draw your plans and convert it to 3D using this command. So this modifier is very useful. So this was the tutorial for the today's session. In the next session, I will come with some more tutorials in 3ds Max. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.